Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This dictation is recorded by Adnan Hani, stenographer, at a speed of 110 words per minute. Ready? Start. This is the second post-arrest bail petition before this court on behalf of the petitioner. Full stop. Earlier petition, that is criminal miscellaneous, was dismissed as withdrawn on 24/11/2011. Full stop. Through this petition, petitioner Muhammad Shoaib alias Shoaibi seeks post-arrest bail in case FIR number 539 of 2011 dated 22/11, offences under section 302, 324, 34 PPC, registered at police station Court Radha Kishan, district Kasur. Full stop. New para. Learned counsel for the petitioner contends that the petitioner is not nominated in the FIR and he was subsequently involved in this case on the supplementary statement of the complainant, that even in the supplementary statement no specific injury to the deceased has been attributed to the petitioner, and there is collective allegation against the petitioner and his co-accused Vikas alias Vicky that they both fired at the deceased, that the petitioner and the complainant are residents of the same locality, and in the initial FIR non-mentioning of name of the assailants makes the case against the petitioner one of further inquiry into his guilt, that the motorcycle mentioned in the supplementary statement of the complainant, that is LZU 18 was already in the police custody in case FIR number 509 of 2011 and was taken on Supurdari after 2 months of this occurrence, that the petitioner is not connected in any manner whatsoever with the motive part of this occurrence, that Sheikh Hamza, another injured in the alleged occurrence, has not been cited as a witness in the calendar of witnesses, that the police has opined in the final report of investigation of this case under section 173 CRPC, that petitioner has not fired at the deceased, rather he was driving the motorcycle and his co-accused has fired at the deceased with his pistol, that no weapon of offence was recovered from the petitioner and recovery of pistol was effected from co-accused of the petitioner, namely Vikas alias Vicky, that in the circumstances case against the petitioner is one of further inquiry into his guilt and he is entitled for the bail, full stop. New para. On the other hand, learned deputy district public prosecutor assisted by learned counsel for the complainant opposing the bail petition contends that earlier the petitioner has withdrawn his application for the same relief before this court on 24/11 and now without fresh ground he is not entitled for the bail, full stop.